Hey guys, what's happening? How to watch live sports for free legally. First, check free streaming apps. You can use apps like ESPN, right, for limited free games, or you can use CBS, CBS Sports specifically, and sports like this, right? And of course, BBC, BBC iPlayer, right? So BBC iPlayer UK offer select live events. Next, use network apps. You can use NFL if you're interested in NFL, NBA if you're interested in NBA, to basically have official apps with free streams or highlights. Next, explore free trials. Services like Fubo TV or YouTube TV and Sling TV offer free trials. Just remember to cancel. Next, watch on social media, right? You can watch on Twitter or X. Leagues and broadcasters sometimes stream games live on YouTube, Facebook, and or X, right? And lastly, you can use public broadcasters. Channels like ABC, NBC, or CBS Canada often air big games for free, right? And many local stations stream games for free via their apps or website. Pro tip: use a good VPN can help access region locked free streams. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.